What's up, legends? It's your boy, the Big Fat Frog here. On today's recommendation, pure chaos. A primordial abyssal kind of chaos, creeping through the depth of the cosmos. That's exactly how this band made me feel. Yeah, my dude, this is some seriously experimental mind-bending madness. Full-on avant-garde, cinematic noise, and I don't even know how the hell to describe the thing.
I want the raw blood singing.
All I know is that some ancient honor is living us. And here's the kicker. You will get what I mean when I tell you. They're German! Of course! That explains why this is so bizarre. I'm talking about insectark and their EP, Raw Blood Singing. This sonic trip will drag you straight to the farthest reach of cosmic horror. The sound? Insane! If you're into a trip experience or just getting lost in the void, this one's for you.
Her body shines.
A solid and otherworldly project brought to life by this duo of absolute insane people. You already know how it goes. Hit it like a fearless explorer, opening a cursed tomb and let the eldritch horror consume your soul. Alright, I'm out!